Okay, now we are ready for our cast off. What you want to do is run the working yarn 2 times around the loom and cut. Woo! Okay, sorry. Where am I at? Here I am. To do the flat top bind off, what you're going to do is, honestly, it doesn't matter if you pull the string up through the bottom or down through the top. I'm just more comfortable doing it that way. You're going to skip, and you're going to do this to every other stitch that's still in the loom. You're going to pull the yarn through it, pop it off. Skip one, pull the yarn through, pop it off. You're going to do this around the entire loom. I am at my last one, which you can see is where the working yarn was coming from. Knit that off. So we've got some kind of cool going on in here. Alright, so now I'm going to skip this one. Why, you ask? Because I want to. Sorry. Okay, and then you're just picking up the rest of the stitches. They will just fall off the loom, basically. So I will just work this right along with you. Oops. There we go. Okay. Down to our last 2. There we go. Now you just pull the whole thing out. I'll lay this flat and you can kind of see what's going on here. The flat top bind off, you can see you have 2 rings. So when you go to tighten it up, you're tightening up the outer ring and the inner rings. So what I do is kind of put my thumb in there, get to where I have just a tiny hole. I'm going to pull my working yarn down to the inside and actually flip this inside out to do the rest. And what you want to do is you don't want that inside ring to close up completely until you've got all of it tightened up. Now do be careful if you break the strand right here while you're tightening it up. It's a horrible, horrible thing to try to fix. See? There we go. Here's where our cast off started. You can see a little bit of a ridge, but it all got thin, and that way it's not going to be super bulky. And if you make this long and want to wear it more like a floppy hat, slouchy hat, whatever you want to call it, you're not going to have this big, huge knot.